Hi everyone, my name is Irina Traskas. I'm an artist and illustrator. I invite you to my studio to explore the magic of watercolor. In today's class, I'll show you a few different ways of painting whimsical birds in watercolor. Birds are always on demand on various design markets and will make a great addition to your art collection. I hope my classes will help you build a beautiful and successful portfolio. In next video, I'll show you the supplies we'll be using in this class. Let's get started!